Deep in the tropics, the journey begins. Amidst millions of trees, the day starts early for the harvesters who power this industry.
Agility meets danger. Scaling 60 feet in seconds, they select only the ripest fruits for the highest quality milk. Gravity does the work of delivery. On the ground, speed is key as thousands of nuts are collected before the midday heat. Once gathered, the harvest is loaded onto heavy transport. The clock is ticking to get this fresh produce to the factory. At the processing plant, chaos turns to order. The raw harvest enters the line to begin its transformation. Steel jaws strip away the thick protective husk. What remains is the hard shell, protecting the white gold inside. Precision blades crack the shell instantly. The nutrient-rich water is drained, revealing the thick layer of coconut meat.
Despite automation, the human touch is needed here. Skilled hands separate the kernel from the shell with practiced ease.
To ensure pure white milk, the brown skin, or testa, is shaved away. Only the pristine white kernel remains.
A high-pressure bath sterilizes the fruit. Now glistening and clean, it ascends to the heart of the factory.
Giant blades pulverize the solid coconut into a fine, snowy grate, preparing it for extraction. Under immense pressure, the grated coconut releases its essence. This thick, creamy liquid is the raw coconut milk.
Filtration removes every impurity. The milk is then pumped into massive holding tanks, ready for thermal treatment.
Flash pasteurization heats the milk for just seconds, killing bacteria while preserving the fresh, tropical taste. With homogenization breaks down fat molecules, ensuring the milk stays smooth, creamy, and doesn't separate in the carton.
The filling line is a blur of precision. Cartons are sterilized, filled, and sealed in the blink of an eye.
Capped for freshness, labeled for identity. The product is now complete and ready for the world.
Robotic arms take over the heavy lifting, stacking and wrapping pallets with mathematical precision.
In the warehouse, thousands of liters await dispatch. Logistics teams organize the stock for global distribution. Finally, it arrives on the shelf. Fresh, preserved, and waiting for the right recipe.
From the high palms of the tropics to your kitchen table. Pure, creamy, and delicious.